No! I don't hear anything. What?
You can't
What
hear
is your
that.
issue? Oh my goodness.
Sonic! 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 Get back! Sonic!
Turn that off.
We are playing Build a Boat.
I don't really like that game.
I don't give a shit.
Oh. I'm gonna kill you.
What the fuck? Just join Build a Boat.
Oh my goodness, bro. Stop! I'm... It's not that funny, bro. It literally isn't.
A fucking somebody with a boat in the shape of a dick and like the Nazi symbol on it just ran into my plot.
Can you not?
Look at you can see. Okay, we'll do a building challenge. I'm building mine over here.
Whatever, boy.
Blah, 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 blah.
Can you not get mine?
Okay. What is that?
Not like my building?
Yeah. What was that supposed to be in the first place?
A rocket?
What did you do?
I'm floating! I'm floating!
The floating dead theory.
Okay, I'm gonna build a really good boat.
I believe it? Question mark?
What would you say?
Oh, holy aura. Yes, no, maybe so.
What?
Okay.
You're talking to me?
Yeah. Who else would I be talking to? Would you rather...
Would I rather what?
What?
I'm gonna bomb you.
You can't say that.
Oh, why not?
You have to be family friendly on here.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking bitch.
What is so funny, bro? You giggling over there.
Nothing, bro.
What are you laughing?
This is my boat.
Here, I have another one of those. Look at my boat.
That's ugly as shit. No, but I saw it. The clown.
What are you talking about?
That clown. Aura. Electromagnetic megacock.
Yes.
Dude, what am I doing? I think.
I can't.
On
What are you
accident.
doing?
Yo.
I didn't mean to do that.
This is the strat I'm trying.
You suck.
Dude.
You're just pushing my boat. What are you doing?
Yo, my boat! My boat!
No! I see you.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
what I think about this.
Couldn't have said it better myself. No.
There you go.
That's my BBL inflating.
Daddy.
Damn, hot ass breath in the mic.
Excuse you. Oh my goodness, that's loud.
You think you're tough and all that? Okay, find me then, bitch. You two fuckers just made the biggest mistake of your lousy career. The time that I choked on a dry ass Popeye's biscuit and got reincarnated as a power bottom pastor with a BBL. It's kind of rough how we all have to go through that one day.
I don't think so.
You sure?
Stop.
Arigato datsubayo. You're about to get clipped with an alpha with cold heart. Okay, I'm just gonna kill myself. Or racism, go away.
I didn't even say anything.
What? Oh my gosh!
What?
9 coins.
Imagine.
I'll say whatever the bitch I want, mother pussy.
And then I'm gonna
Bitch, I'll block you on Spotify.
SpongeBob?
Spotify. Aura. Some wheel on your back.
I don't know. Click on it. It puts it on your back.
Oh, that's Aura.
Yo! What?
What
are you doing?
Why am I dying?
Lady, what happened? No.
How did I die? I'm back. Oh yeah.
Let's go. Where did you go?
What? Dude.
What happened?
This game sucks.